But speaking of the 20th day of the war in West Asia, that continues to remain on the brink because this conflict has now taken even more bigger and a dangerous turn. Qatar has now confirmed that Israel targeted the world's largest gas field, which is South Pars in the Persian Gulf. And in a statement, the minister there, the foreign minister of Qatar, has immediately called for a de-escalation across the region and has urged Iran and the United States to return to the negotiating table. He's also described the strike to be dangerous and irresponsible. And this has now been, as far as the fire at the South Pars gas field, that has now drawn global attention because it is a critical pillar of global gas supply. It is part of the larger North Dome South Pars reservoir, which is known to be the biggest gas reserve on the planet. Let's tell you exactly why this gas field is significant and why it is crucial. This is the world's largest gas field that we're looking at, holding nearly 19% of the global recoverable gas reserves, and Iran's energy backbone, that it is also said, because it supplies the major share of Iran's domestic gas supply. Now, there is a share with Qatar as well. The Iran and Qatar North field, that what we are looking at, and it is touted to be the economic lifeline that drives power, that drives industry, that drives also petrochemicals and also revenue, because this is the global energy impact that the world is now feeling the pinch. Any disruption to this field, especially when it comes to oil and gas prices, they are going to skyrocket immediately. And this is the market sentiment today that we are also feeling. Geopolitical flashpoint there, because targeting this very gas field, that means that immediate, and this has been the escalation that has now come in from Iran's side as well, that will have global consequences. And this is a straight-out warning that President Trump has now also issued. Because Qatar Energy has now confirmed that Ras Laffan industrial city that has been targeted in a missile attack, this is a retaliation on part of Iran using ballistic missiles that seems to have caused extensive damage to the key energy hub. Emergency response teams were immediately deployed to contain multiple fires that it triggered by the strikes. However, authorities say that all personnel have been accounted for, and so far there has been no casualties reported. Qatar Energy, however, has added that it is closely monitoring the situation and will continue to provide updates as more and more updates now become available. But this seems to be the retaliation, the attack that has now been coming in from both sides. Israel attacking Iran energy fields, Iran continuously attacking as far as oil refineries, gas facilities and energy infrastructure in multiple nations in the Gulf. Well, that seems to be the escalation that is now being marked on the 20th day of the war. We headed to a short break.